The F-35 brings a capability that will put us back in a place of great advantage in an area that we have had strategic overmatch with our adversaries for the last 70 years. And that means that we have dominated the skies since World War II. The primary important differentiation about the capability of the Marine Corps F-35B is that big old lift fan that allows for short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities that was designed to be able to have a flexibility like no other capability on this planet. That fits with our ethos, our war-fighting concept of operation, and it fits with our mindset. It's every bit as essential, and in some ways more essential, that we have that kind of capability in a modern world. The relationship between two allies in a military venue can be defined by our interoperability. We have an obligation for mutual defense, that if they're in trouble, we will come help them. If we're in trouble, they can come help us. We have to be able to have the same type of equipment that can talk to each other, equipment that can seamlessly operate as one unitary force. So this F-35 is critical to our success.